ઓકે સો એક એક ફ્રેક્શનલ એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ અને આપેલું જે ફંક્શન એફ ઓફ એક્સ કોમા વાય જે છે એ હોમોજીનિયસ છે કે નહીં એ જસ્ટ આપણે ચેક કરશું. સો લેટ મી ફર્સ્ટ ટેક એફ ઓફ લેમડા એક્સ લેમડા વાય is equal to, now you have to replace x and y by lambda x and lambda y. So just put lambda x whole raised to 1 by 2 plus lambda y 1 by 2 upon lambda x 1 by 4 plus lambda y 1 by 4. Now simplify this statement, then you have lambda raised to 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2. You just have to take out common lambda raised to 1 by 2 from denominator. Now from numerator. Now you have to take a common lambda in denominator. So just you have lambda raised to 1 by 4 in bracket x raised to 1 by 4 plus y raised to 1 by 4. Now again simplify this statement, then you have lambda raised to 1 by 2, that is lambda raised to 1 by 4. So lambda raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 upon, now this statement is identical, this function is identical to f of x comma y, then you can write that f of x comma y. Clear? So that is lambda f of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda raised to 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4, f of x comma y. So we can say that f of x comma y is your homogeneous function of degree 1 by 4. Clear? So આ રીતે આપણે આપેલું ફંક્શન જે છે એ હોમોજીનિયસ છે કે નહીં એ જસ્ટ આપણે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી શકીએ છીએ. So another one example is given here that u is equal to f of x comma y is equal to x cube tan y by x. So now you just have to identify either this function, whether this function is homogeneous or not. So first of all, let me take f of lambda x lambda y is equal to, now you just have to replace x and y by lambda x and lambda y. So take lambda x cube tan in bracket lambda y lambda x. Clear? So now take it out the common lambda, so lambda cube x cube tan now y upon x. Simply you can say that lambda lambda is cancelled. So just this function is identical, this function is identical to this function, so I can write lambda cube f of x comma y is equal to lambda f of lambda x lambda y. So from this statement I can say that f of x comma y is homogeneous function. So let me take another example based on this. So another example is given here that u is equal to f of x comma y is equal to y raised to 4 cos y square x. Okay, so first of all you just have to write down the statement f of lambda x lambda y, just replaced x and y by lambda x and lambda y, then you have lambda raised to 4 y raised to 4 cos lambda square y square lambda x. Take it out the common if whenever required, so that's lambda raised to 4 y raised to 4 cos, now lambda and lambda is cancelled, so lambda y square upon x. So you can see that this function is not identical to this function, so we can say that lambda f of lambda x lambda y does not equal to lambda raised to n f of x comma y. So the f of x is non-homogeneous function. Clear? So similarly we can identify either the given function is a homogeneous or non-homogeneous function. You can simply say that the given function is homogeneous or not. So let me take another theory that how you can solve the partial differential equation from this theory.